How to create a playlist on SoundCloud, easy and fast. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a playlist on SoundCloud in easy fast way. So all what you have to do is go to SoundCloud, and this is the home page as you can see. Now if you want to create a playlist, just go here here down below, click on the library. Now we will have those options. Click on the playlist option right here and click create playlist like this, and then choose a name of the playlist like rock for example, and then you can choose to make it public or private as you want, and then you can click on save if you finish it. Now the playlist is created. As you can see, I can shuffle or play or edit if I want. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.